Next up, Paparazzi for Handshake. This mission is relatively simple. It's a go and fetch mission, bring it back, but unfortunately we will need a key for the Midnight Sapphire Hotel called the MS Supply Key. This key will give us access to the supply room we need to get into where we can get our quest item. Now unfortunately I've cleared out this entire area twice and haven't found the key, but I can tell you exactly where you need to go and what you need to do. So, pushing into the hotel, either from the back ramp over here on the southwest side or from the staircase on the northeast, you'll need to fight your way into this center area where reception is. Then, by this reception desk on the west side of it, you'll need to head into this door, so northwest, through this little passageway, and the first door to your right over here is the supply closet. The next door over here requires the MS Supply Key, and inside of here you'll find a whole CCTV setup to your right. On the table, you'll find a brown notebook that you simply need to pick up and return back to base with. That is the documents that you're looking for in order to complete the Paparazzi mission for Handshake. So, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.